Hey guys, welcome to Hairstyles. Scare yourself once in a while. There's no use operating in the comfort zone because operating in the comfort zone, in your comfort zone, won't bring you anywhere close to your goals. It is when you scare yourself. It is when your heart skips a bit, when you think about your idea, when you think about what you're about to do. That is when you know you've challenged yourself. And that is when you know that that action, what you're about to do, is going to make sure that you progress much faster when it comes to reaching your goals. Otherwise, operating in your comfort zone will only bring you stagnation because there is no progress that you're expecting from just doing the ordinary. It's when you do the extraordinary that is when you progress. If you're not challenged, then what's the use? Just doing the ordinary? That is going to keep you among those who are doing the ordinary. So I challenge you today. Scare yourself. Challenge yourself. Let your heart skip a bit when you think about your idea. Then you know you're bound to do something big for yourself. And it's going to give you success in the area that you're pursuing, the idea that you're pursuing. It will pay you dividends. So that's all for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. God bless you.